Grabs of the emails were posted online today by Ben Bowen, a reporter at the Boston Globe. The email exchange started just days before the AFC Championship when a special teams coordinator for the Baltimore Ravens tipped off Chuck Pagano about the Patriots. That got passed up the chain to general manager Ryan Grigson. In the email, Grigson is told the Ravens had problems the week before when they were kicking. Baltimore believed they were given new footballs instead of the ones that were prepared correctly. Grigson is then told it is, quote, well known around the league that the Patriots will let air out of the balls with a needle because their quarterback likes a smaller football. Grigson took those concerns to the league the same day, telling NFL officials the Colts just want a level playing field and thanking the league for upholding the integrity of the game. The court battle between the NFL and Tom Brady is still going on, but both are expected to be in court next week for a settlement conference. Coming up in sports, I'll have more on Colts training camp and how they're preparing to take on the Patriots in October. Michael Grady, RTV6 Sports.